downtown Los Angeles. We're bringing you 100% raw Indian temple hair. Right here in my hands, guys, I have 26-inch collection from our North Indian hair. This is all naturally wavy, no processing at all, comes just like this. Right off the head with just a condition and a weft. Right here behind me, guys, I have South Indian textures and natural deep curls, natural waves, all kind of different textures available. We even have gray hairs in stock, as well as your 613 favorites and browns for the summertime. Once again, guys, we're at 1420 South Figueroa Street, Los Angeles, California. Come check us out. Quick thing about our company. With Hair Made in India, wholesale-wise, you're going to meet us owners. You're going to see our transparent business practices and see everything face-to-face. That's why we encourage everybody to come on down and check us out down here. Our religion, my background is Punjabi. The people in India that conch their hair are mostly Hindus. So one quick little fun fact about us is in Hindu religion, they conch their hair, they cut their hair to sacrifice offering to God. In my family's religion, actually, which is Sikhism, they keep their hair. They tie their hair in the head and tie it in turbans. This shirt, actually, which kind of looks like Hair Made in India, this is a Sikh prayer from thousands and thousands of years ago. It actually means have success in all your struggles, and everything you do it to the fullest. So it's pretty cool that it looks like the Hair Made in India company as well, and it means the same thing. That's what we stick by. Come see us, guys. LA, downtown, raw hair.